Instagram. OFAYACSF_Ashanti. Search us on YouTube, Hell on Earth TV. And Facebook, Hell on Earth TV. Hell on Earth TV, you reality television.
Machacha munina madam munina ase sa maje bresa mo betie me Abusia, mechacha munyina. The youth have spoken. Na madam munyina say, na mama munyina so akwaba at the Hell on TV. So, my member must shout out because my brothers, you have done a marvelous job. Nancy, Nancy, greetings, greet you. Eben Kwame, I say asembe kurani every day asemaba. Abusia oba na wa share video na mama wa, but more than na share mama. Mahunse Benis Ban, Papa Benis, thank you very much for being here. Roberta Omari, Roberta, thank you very much. I see you. Queen Nye Jackson, Queen, I see you here, my dear. And Mahunse Chira Root, Mama Ba, I see you here. And Madam Munyinasi, if you don't fight us, mo boju madeni, Madam Munyinasi. Eben Kwame was said the demo is over, but every day new asemaba. The mono is part, it's here to stay. The money is coming to be a part of us, our daily routines. It's not over. This is just the genesis of it. This is just the beginning. Until my mama akwaba Nana Bomwaya, Nana, greetings. I see you, Nana. And I'm also Rosemont Anissa. Rosemont, thank you very much for being here with me. Agoji the Don, Agoji, thank you very much for being here with me. And Agoji also, I've been waiting for you. Good to be here. Agoji, thank you very much, bro. And I'm also Dinah Donko. Dinah, thank you very much. Queen Nye Jackson, I see you. Gosway, Maufemo. Gosway, greetings, bro. Greetings. Thank you very much for all your kindness yesterday. 3 days ago. Jeffrey Afajo, my hero, Baba, greetings. I see you, my dear. And I'm also Posh Baby is here. Posh Baby, thank you very much, my dear. Greetings to you. And I feel and Ohini David, fireman, greetings, fireman, greetings, fireman, greetings. And I'm also Prince Captain Boatin, Captain, greetings. Also Roberta Omari, Roberta. And me was with them quite jam now more jam moment because Masa nipa nya honi o akra mabubu until and also kakra hono no most fresh agbesi most fresh greetings my bro. And I'm also Queen Nye Jackson was affect the country. Winifred Azu, Winifred, thank you very much for being here. Akwesi Juma, Akwesi, thank you very much for being here. And I want to say, Man Ukada Man, greetings. And I see you. And Citizen Kwame, I see you. Lasini Salifu, Namibia, greetings. I see you. Ohini David was 4th August 14th August. Dortmund, Germany, straight up. Mebaho. Daniel Free, also good kudos of fire. Greetings. Kwame Junior, I see you. Kwakwebel, I see you. Mahunse Abdul Tembi waha. Abdul Tembi, I see you. Obisode Ambrose Mokai and so waha. And so brilliant and so waha say. And who again? Kanlori Gafadu and so waha. Gosway Maufemo also fire. All the amazing TV and so waha. Dinah Donko Mahu. Understand crying, I see you. And Kojonel, I see you, my bro. Lawrence Joyce, Nama, I see you. Priscilla Boni, I see you. Citizen Kwame, I see you. Big up to you all. They should go. I see you. Henry David again. Bushanfone Dosso, Priscilla Boni, Abdul Tembi, and Lawrence Joyce, Nama, and Derry Sebastian. And they should go. They go. Nice one. They should go. They should go. Mwadi beer yeah. Munya wana munkona you to know info makunya. And Caston Pando, I see you. Badremba Evans, I see you. Anna Adams Emmanuel, I see you. Abusia, Madam Munyinasi. Awie anopay anumre baby biara obi ane tambia bobia me baya ene kasa tenten aseda ene ayeyi ena wo se me debre freedom fighters ene ye nuanum youth mo represent live. Madam Munyinasi abusia the youth have finally spoken. Na binum ye say we are just talking. We are just on Facebook talking. Yeah, anije wo makoma mu no, you have no idea. Anije wo makoma mu no, you have no idea. That are you, I see you, bro. Anije wo makoma mu no, you have no idea. And say ye dey make go Dubai 3 weeks vacation bi. Mani da ho ana mani ajiwo metiri mu a. Me say, hey, Yemma ye kwan me yenko radio station so nkasa. Media houses e work na say boy influence the country you dey grow. E ye Facebook any Captain Smart any Okatachi Frifa Abraham Ben Moshe on Facebook. Yeah, look at the numbers we were able to pull. Big up to all the youth. Big up to all the freedom fighters. Big up to all of you in the diaspora. Maminka bibinchira mami starting to say Ghana for more country man. Moto pepanya kumapa. Any odo patriotism. Muwama mumai. Demonstration no enyan duru Ghana na se Ghana enyan started kwana mwashase with Spain. This is where the motivation started coming from. Se Ghana for with Spain. Omu bibidi. Wo matade papa bi she e wo school papa bi ko a she demonstration as with Spain dia any na Ghana for duru ho na mu di agoro de any aboche for ne baba mu bu enu anu ne tiate e free Spain penalty sim etisim wo UK for so se da yet so human lazy krom de epebie ina wa say but sekuntu wan a ne ntia na ekọ so wonsa achi wo ho nso be ya wo da ntisa wonsa ye enti UK for so anda womutisi mu say dam pupo honey who said no sa kwantu mu fompo enti enye din dia eni na ye na ye wo fie na ye te kwaye nim na ye te dotto nim na ye te afro nim na ye te kwaye breto nim no ye nya wo say di agro enti na I was wondering how the youth are going to react. Me when they said the message haven't got to the level we want the message to go to, but you do one no to make the initial and me share numbers no in the bomb system. Big ups, Ohini David, fireman, big ups. Your boy Juma. Big ups, Abraham Ben Moshe, big ups. Your boy Juma. I'm proud of myself and I'm proud of all the freedom fighters and I'm proud of all our supporters. Nana Shady, big ups. All the freedom fighters, Dr. Ren, Jenny Jonas, Captain Smart, Okatachi Frifa, Abraham Ben Moshe, Fireman, Ohini David, Dr. Ren, Sugar Drop, Mama Ba, Bible Commando, Etiako Acid, Free Mind, Time for Change, amazing. Big up to you, Okwa 44, Portable. A boy Juma, right? Just social media keke. Ye nya chance na kwase NTT Chrome for speakers in si Chrome si dom enwa wa mu say the preachers near the do Chrome. Ye nya sa opportunity no. Just social media keke. Hwe numbers no bopo winsem. Ya before a boy Juma. Freedom fighters, ya boy Juma. I am proud of each and every freedom fighter. And yes, I make us a freedom fighters are. Yena your camera no munkwao. Even muna mo share video no. Mo ankasa mo ne the campaigns no. Muna mo send the message na ma message na call. Muna mo share videos no. The likes of Roberto Marie, the likes of Queen Na Jackson, the likes of Posh Baby, Jemfua Fodjo, the likes of God's Way, the likes of Eben Kwame, the likes of Akwasi Jumo, the likes of each and every one of you, GH Amenyo, they are you, that are you. Abuja, the Dine Dawson, the likes of each and everybody. Winifred, Benis Ban, Momo Kazamone freedom fighters. Mona mama message in Aquaman because my mama Bejina hey, and you will be saying, and I will pay a message in so. It is in penny form, baby say, answer na dia, and home away, a whom soro no, and then Biaso and a home soro. It is a message never quite here, and you my one day, and your mom one day. That is why I salute you all. Abuja, my boy, you man. Now, need you back home, Makuma, when they say, huh? Now, but today, Yamba, Meba, you starting free, I say. And need you all, Makuma, you have no idea. You do not buy in their numbers. The youth came in their numbers. Media houses, I will form, I say, mind their attention. But that is true, Omona, I actually on my mic, no speakers, and I was very glad. Said, "Wana, we now platform kasa and catch media houses in straight point blank said, you're free press conference. Mama, you're crying. Near man from kasa, you're you to Nenkasa. Abuja, your boy Juma. Now, me what did you be said? Say first, and on me did you Ewo Ghana and can't quite Ghana ye do know form one. She say I rise it to 70%. Me come na ade ama me gidi rise to that level no eye amananefo no mo show sign bi amananefo no show sign bi na me boss sisi amwo na sa amananefo mpo omo wo sa system papa ne mu estimate show sa sign we a eno ne mami hu se no ene youth no nso anya breti me hu youth ne numbers na me se no Ghana be yi ya Ghana be yi amananefo wa kwantuom wo mo antimi amba enso mo se da bi da epenifo bu bebi se odwan ankwa ne nwoma kọ ti na me ka kire no epenifo bu bebi se odwan ho se wankwa ne nwoma kọ sa bebo no ti ase sa bebo no ti ase so odwan ankwa ne nwoma kọ enka ne tete no obo ya mesa be ni be kra na nima santi sem nim ayisem se sa na menem kokkrafo na ahwebo mantima me ka kire mo ye kum nwan ye de omo wedie no aye dundum ye kum nwan kum moa no kum odwan no ye de odwan no wedie no ne honam no aye ban nti ye kọ agro bia ye de ban ne be kwa akobrum nti agro na ye kọ no odwan na nkasa mu ananti amba agro na sekora na ne wedie ye de aye ban e kwa akobrum nti panifo bu bi se so odwan ankọ ne honam kọ amananefo mo antimi amfa play amba be mo kire se you love your country. Most of the patriotic citizens among you, I salute you. You are those that deserve respect. And more be that's why I'm on one here answer. Me no be we ya. Oh, me we program no dana ye no na of my yamera said them kwala ne de menante ye no me nante sa pen as me first time I me ko bibi say ntina nante na of akora my yamre ma donku ni ma donku afesu na me ne because nipa kana no antumu me ko bi ne manka bi de na kokko ye den tinipa kokka na no antum ye ko ye no ye kire se no enye social media nkwa ne beti matina kasa even on the grounds ye beti medina makasa enye social media nkwa ne beba be de da be to be enti ye ko kire ho se no we are ready to die for our country enye me nkwa all the freedom fighters Abraham Ben Moshe, Captain Smart, Keteche Frifa, Fireman, Free Mind, Bible Commando, everybody was on the ground. And our voice was heard. What did be a year? What did be a year? Ubo se mama jina kebo akire ho maame so no a ne honam kokko kama free US aba woni bibidie ade Kenya me no se maame so no abone brawa manane woni bibidie se da bi won tena fie ntena dem eye ne man a wo se o man ne yeyi ansa na wo wagya ho ma ne ma na ne ma feel proud se ha na ye nchifrie ono so tisi mu ekura mu de se justice for kaka wo se fie yeyi Modi be here. But we say man, so we a freedom fighter. Now support this agenda. We will get there. We will get there. When I would not chant to talk about Pakistan, Tomobo, we will get there. God's way. Thank you very much, yeah, bro. We will get there. Yasem nyina no modibia eye modibia wem ahwe mo mpanafo ne musile kwesefo eye modibia tutu akwan akotena Dubai akwachele eye mo wie bia gu ha ma nana no mo nso eye modibi so abobo mo kwase abra wo fo ma se ya eye munye oman ne yie mayen nti na me slogan ne modibia yo modibia eye munye oman ne yie mayen you to not disappoint yen na me motivation e wo mu no na me ka asem bi se mpanifo bu ba bi se odwan hoyi wankọ a ne womakọ amananefo am wa manane mo se yentimi ma bete ye hwe saa ma mo nkọ saa kwa ye de ahoden beta mochi mo a mo pese mo kọ a mo free mo wa chirichiri da na shade organize bus firi oboase mo a mo support na na shade firi oboase nyina mo support ye mo send sika se fa mo fa pa bus fa manfo frɛ kyerɛ ma nyina respect the mercy yeyi mu anyeye ma yibi mo kyerɛ sɛ mo wo man no do mo kyerɛ sɛ nya kwantom na ye mo de enko meka se Ghana fo na nya o made even Ghana fo ni bia wa ase kura anko demonstration no you know why because a day ni sales a obenya 50 cedis ene no de hwe abusia o jai sa day no ekokoye change the country demonstration pe ekoma de fie tibinu mantimi amba but amanone font anka said e bi da se mo amofie mu ntimi nko de yemfa mo ho mo na motimu bi ni mu na da bi amanone fo no from all angles metimu bo mu nyina mu din odomo koma hira mu nyina enam opepa ne akoma pa wo ma mo man mo musa ne mo ni nipa wase respect wo mu still empuo bi wa amanone ho eni omu de be wo internet ne so akokun so ma dwene beba fie enkrantie bi wo mu ye re omu anyeye ne mo so mo ye enkrantie enni bi wo mu still omu amanone ho UK fo nkwasiampa fo na mokoye sa counter demonstration no mo so me ne mo ba wiwi e wo so wo se mo ma Ghana fo na wo so mo ni nyanta se mo UK fo na mokoye counter demonstration so mo se Ghana fo Ghana youth Ghana MPP for Ghana or more Ghana no na me ka bi ntira meba after the demonstration metena see analysis bi me hade compare Ghana demonstration no how a see how a comport ya ho ewie hwe how even efini ade ananka omo pese omo gina so edi enya bibiti ayen mo se fix the country so when na mo ekrom pato no bibia sense na ma meka bibi nkire wo ha sei won UK for no mo koye counter demonstration no be be say mo mamoti asese Ghana for send the clear signal to you the people am koye that counter demonstration in UK say mo ye mwa ana broni system jama mo gukure nko winter coat mu na mu na ma bruchiro na yenya mo hwe o se ya chi mu gu trash bin mu koto mu tupum e ba hwe ni shark mo hwe mo because MPP for Ghana does see MPP for UK tina me ka tiro MPP for Ghana does see MPP for UK but MPP for Ghana sorry anka say ye be counter demonstration na wo a watima tu kwan free Ghana akodu UK akwa gina hwa obodwe pantan sa yewa akwa je £100 we ma me hu se e ya ho kire ena ma majority of the people entimi ntwi omo hu emfiri MPP ni ndisi hu se Ghana ni no woni BBD e wona duma bi ya enka on care about MPP ni ndisi da but MPP ni ndisi aye system no to the extent say you can't resist them and I'm still majority are falling under them because they have the money. And the average Ghanaian or Tenasi won't say no. Me trim me free for you one. A better day say mentality ma come no. Or the radio station no so onya no kura obekapa but esan say oka no kura na no aduane bi bebo no tin. I'm still we falling for these two parties. Eti me won't say no. Say Ghana ni eti me free Ghana akodu UK. Ah wo ye na dwuma nya dwuma ye owo school papa ne bako school papa na say still politicians ni friend ka se bedi £100 na kwa counter demonstration na sa ni pa no one na kura emben wo de gas no a emben wo de tuja ni man kasa ross a emben wo toton so a emben wo de kan kura hye so a enya mere wo ye ne hia enye wo ye nam kura no nam apro afi ye baba dwuma o inyan hyase o wo ye comedies fireman big house I make up be demonstration na ye no enema me de mani toto form de adwene ne calculate hu ye no nobody should try any freedom fighter untimi ene se twe ni de na kasa obeba Ghana obeba abaye do person ye obewie obekọ ne mo wo de kurenti se fireman kasa na obeba Ghana fireman beba Ghana obeba abedu Ghana obeye do person ye bia obi ne mo rekurenti be ka wonai
You to know were so much passionately protecting each of the freedom fighters. Me mom be kurenti. Obi atiri ni ba kurenti. Omo mba social media be di attempt. Ebenkumu, your days are numbered. Omo nyina ya ma. See your comfort, your fam. Me see omo nyina ya ma. Me see you to nankasa kwa ni beba be hia mo airport or Dr. Ren me mo freedom fighters na mo control me ni join us fire from above. Da mo beka se mo baba fie no you to nankasa kwa ni beba be hia mo airport no de mo abesia ko be ampese mo kubia. The youth are solidly behind you and they are also solidly behind us. You know why? Yana ye can the painful truth. Omun need the channel, omun need the platform to speak that truth, you know. Yana ye can say truth now on behalf of them. Until they don't joke with us. The count nine, more be now, one more boy, and they qua, almost swaying. Politicians no more put it. You can't say, Kuala, I don't know, Yanko baby, getting a pulley. It is in your coin to radio station to radio station. In your coin to Chrome, Cassie, the message in a call for more, 1 year back. A bepega. 1 year pebepega. And Tigana for Ghana. The Pacha Mamamutia here. A Juma any ho. Any Amotre system. Politicians not creative. And I make a lot of the youth to know. Me entry on home free. MPP name this home falling for them. Then gradually. Yes, I kill one. I'm a more young tias, yes, sir. The MPP name this a day my wedding. Or ma 1 CDA, or we are 1 billion. Or ma 2 CDs, or we are 2 billion. Or ma 20 CDs, or we are 20 billion. You to know tias here. Into a more called Damanguno. Almost a quack. When I saw me, when I told me, come on, Bulafia. What more how do you call it? Elimina no. Say no ma why? Ma photo me now. Famu fia kwa. No mo pamu mo nyina. And look at the numbers that were put during the demonstration. What you say? Yes. Obi the placard be by. But say mommy, if I didn't return, don't worry. I died for the next generation. I'm proud of the youth, and this is not just the last, and this is not just the first. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. This is just the genesis of it. There be Ghana will work. And you may be a crew. My brother and I say, voters are free, go, white, mobile in big gaps. I can't Yakata, Nawezo. Yababa Wina, say next spot here, Ashanti region. If Ashanti region say Kim, you would cause I have ban, water region, water region, cause I have ban. Winyabutre. Yabadia mine, tell your better so I yes. Said the Nchepobia and be a now on the tono. So na enka conference because I'm much. Some time ago, near an one quasum. No more say a brofun quayase. Na bankaba eguamonsa. Ne two echeromoso. Ne ye repu womo. Ne ye kunkum womo. That time Kurano na or yauna no dene. Because na broni ni timama no that time no. Na broni penede na ye bibi that time no. But they were able to stand firm and fought for the freedom. What I say, and the Nama me know it's me coba. But the name Akoba say Yankasian penny for. Forget about MPP for Kwasian Pafu or Monenam change to Toba Parker so Mucho Momo. Forget about MPP for Kwasian Pafu, Miranda GH over passing you. Western region ever do. Forget about MPP for Kwasian Pafu, the branch in Canada, Felix appear. Felix appear. What in Canada? We MPP ni. Abrantie. Wa boa na wo wulamu nam. What ya hoye dey? Brefie. And I go be see o ma me. Kodo opon kroma provide security man 24/7 sana wo free krom hako. Meaning say over Ghana you will be completely safe. What are you doing in Canada? Why buy na also? ana wo ba Ghana be ya papa yie omo provide security ma 24/7 eti die na wo te Canada ho ye ebra fie fa wo yire no mabra ka kire omo sef na do the free SHS na mo we nya attention but omo manipa kasa bre pak wo niam bra fie wo si mema wo yire na wo no Canada ka kire sa akosua akufa do the free SHS aba efie ye akwan ye koso hospital mpa e wo ho ye tia nkwala aka bibia koso Ghana ntimeba mfa nkwala ni na bra Ghana senka wo ba no mo sotora na wo yire yam se wo nim se wo yesa nkwase asem no internet no so koja wo yire ni nim se wo yam nkwase asem no internet no so e ka sa jinsem no upon all the benefit wo yire no manya wa brochire ho no wo nim se sa wo te ho no mo sa ka sa nkwase asem no yesa ajimi propaganda na anko be pake wo ba ga ma oja wo bebre na de no mo yire no nim mo yesie because me nya so se ene bia na ne so nya Ghana ni mulamunam wanya kwaya kwatena Canada Ghana for Ghana youth omoti ahotere we mu komani bie youth ni TC street ni so youth ni sia nka anu ntumuda we will demonstrate our voice must be heard. Just on Facebook, I'm proud of the freedom fighters. Fireman, more fire. Chini Jonas, more fire. Dr. Red, more fire. Just on Facebook. DW, Ecovai. Now DW statement, article, a shock. See a team taking our anger from social media to the streets. DW cry a shock. We don't hate Akufo-Addo. We don't hate John Mahama. We don't hate MPP. We don't hate NDC. They've bullied us for far too long. O mercy see a chair. Na me wa take bi wa hase. Me wa yibi obi twere wa hase. Me wa yibi obi twere wa hanye. Eni ma me bia mu se na tase. O ko to so obi at social media no so kasaba MPP kasama NDC a. Tie ne kasa eni ye. Na kan my dear media to screen so no now better na say a bad system doesn't appear wrong to those who benefit from it. Felix appear kwasi ampani kwateboto nyankopon boa ma sperms na ne papa yi di condom yi akokoto achene no kakra pratere fa ho no pie ye enipa no bi no use condom na many omo nya adwene better abrante we na wose ka ne condom ne papa condom na ka wose ka ye adwuma na ka sesa ne tugu better abrante we ti ye such a wasted sperm about the Ghana have a honey pakwa. The honey pakwa. What in Canada? Now politicians who come and kwasi abra umuti hebo. Abwa we to Canada ye propaganda of Facebook kasama mutino. Mutimi man full time security oba Ghana. Ma security pa no ban. Kopun so be free hako. Nyam kwasi asemu a. Enti wo hwe dem that so na. Was a bad system doesn't appear wrong to those who benefit from it. Dabi. O benefit free hunu nko ade. O hu fonso a wo hu o kasakro hu be nahi. They do everything to defend it. I don't hate you being a sympathizer of NPP. I don't hate you being a sympathizer of NDC. I care less about that. But let's call a spade a spade. O calculate this country as Ghana. O calculate on my way. Now, what they compare a city called Dubai just 20 years ago. Now, share and penny for I say. Now, share penny and also take over Dubai. Put aside Dubai. Take Rwanda just put Rwanda just on the table. You for Dubai in 20. Dubai a city and a country. You quite little. You for Dubai in 20. You for Rwanda a country. Dubai a Arab area. You for 20. Find so what Gucci. Rwanda Africa here. You for Rwanda and two table no so. Rwanda edi mfie sei enso hwe patriotism ne pani good leadership nti hwe be Rwanda dru ne you can't say me yanka too because everything is okay. Are you sick fucking in your brain? Are you goddamn fucking your brain? What about them? The youth in this country are not cowards anymore. I can't not too much. And I was happy. I was proud how the youth descended on the street. Politicians not almost said, these numbers. They never thought we will get these numbers. But numbers in the some. We are going to look at the numbers. Just Facebook, In your quite see from say yeah underground work. Baby, kasa o say oh Facebook ni dey ga abroche for nkwa na hwe. Munya nkwala no mo munya omudede abroche for nkwa na hwe. Don't be deceived. Youth ni hwe. Na youth na hwe no so mo bo mo mame no amane, mo bo mo papa no amane. Enkokrafo nyina ba demonstration ni bi. Ebe gina demonstration ni enkokra ne mrewa. People love this country at heart. About for the omino na ahokire ne obrani amane enti no ne ye dia memenmfe ye niema enye tia omino ahokire me hu abrantie bi na otisuo enye se nega bi na ama ne broken heart me hu abrantie bi na otinisuo enye nega bi na ama ne broken heart enka abrantie beti nisu ankaja ka anom fo ya maya na ko bi di bi asi baby bon sa abrantie bi su ane dia papa bi na awuo bon sa abrantie bi su ane mama bi na awuo bon sa abrantie bi su ane me de dia na broken heart ene maka omutimi su sa su no be me sha abrantie we ni su a wote all because of odo o ma ne man eni oman obepie mu enye ne boni enso oya onya tete due to bad leadership na abrantie ne tini suo Biako ya manyani ti yebunum binum se yebeka ya no tuma ma binum ase o man na ye ka no tumu da ye ni biako ya manyani se wo se echi nya wo da ehwa na atafre. We have nowhere to go. This is our land. Ya nara ya sasini e ya body de maye moja na nanu hwie gunya de to ho maye wo fi do se adrume ne wo soso say ye be ye piatwa so na se nkwasi abafo bi say na adenti ne wose ye kan ya nutum biem abrantie ni tini so for the love of the country. You know, blacks, we see a do bibia, we love it passionately. Huh? See a do bibia, we love it passionately. Ti no me de religion by o di nya ye de to nyina gura mu. Se Ghana need to ne mind. Ah, Shaving Ghana ni akwatena UK. Timikasa, I love UK. I'm proud to be a citizen here. Ghana ni akwatena Germany. Timikasa, I'm proud to be German citizen. Ghana ni akwatena US. Timikasa, I'm proud to be a United States citizen. I want you to my own, but say I'm proud to be there. How much more say if you and Quebec say I am proud raised to the power 3 million to be a Ghanaian. If you yenti na ma if you for tesi abonte so. A man be named because of your Lebanon, you will Kuwait, your Arab countries, you walk Jordan. Nameraho, and you fear any interior, and no more Matissa won't take up a pie. The Mamika be beat out. A bay ye, a befa. I bet when quite the befa. When quite the be. I could chase the best in a better. When they are into you to me, a begia mine be. Come, catch them. And I said, and I big ups. The energy, and I said, they organize your boss of one in the buyer. I was on for more support to my bosses. I would go free, me, I would draw. Or the man come on come. Mama, you man coso. Mama support to freedom fighters. Yet me conjamo. Yet me near pie and you move film. Yet me comparable and you move film. Now, me said together, we will make history. Yet the social media. I bet you wonders for my way, a betting penny for him. So I'm some may come and go from and go street in him and you know, one team first speakers in Cassantre, I mean, no more drum there. You drew market area, I said the number before no, a jija. Yes, this is just the genesis of it. This is just the beginning of it. First 1 year, a man in the one you say about Cooper, we ain't a one on there be. You say about a tabby, a baby. A bear singlet, and only a day better. They said, "Yaman was young penny out to you can acquire a counter demonstration. A bottle of £10 to show some once what you Cassian penny out to you can acquire a counter demonstration. Your £10 show some once I will share a gun on you to the demonstration. Once after what Jimmy, would Jimmy and I said, don't pim some kuta, I said a cobble ball, every ball again, and to man. One was a good nine. What the UK? Bunia Maunia Dumaye, or my politician to me, Frau, or be back of Frame. Maybe blast you on the back of Frame. I offer, whether ye Nemo, your one in your course, Yambra. Now, me say, when you walk, Papa Penny, so walk us and we actually so about to say, me elder. Oh, one, I wouldn't have one, some more counter demonstration. I'm with Jimmy, question a horror. Na, Jimmy, Tolle, and also into Wumpony and then a fifth way. Second, and you won't power you come up with £100. Ako da wo Jimmy suban tablebe we adi ama ya hu se Buronia hu se nkofo no bebre na Jimmy enti e bekoso awia omo a na Ghana ni wo fi agi 50 Ghana koto aba man pipi na ndisi amu mienu na Jimmy mama yansa sisi a se wo ama na me anopa se wo sori a wo kwadwuma anopa wo sori a wo kwadwuma de bia wo sori a wo kwadwuma woti ma politician timi frew party adokoro se pompo adi wo Jimmy tawe sa adua wo ba embo timi sori me e fro se mo mese kwa counter demonstration. Ma di America ko koye counter demonstration £100. Abragu na ntisa wo po na wo Jimmy say Ghana need 20 cedi e koto abama MPP a waye bone Ghana need 50 cedi koto abama NDC a waye bone ana enti eno ma metena si calculate wo say ye no ye nya MPP for wo Ghana mo do official MPP for wo wiase ba bia amo ma meda sa Jimmy suban na MPP for na wo UK ni da na de ne de eno kire me say kase majority of the youth, you know, even if 60% of them bo ewo adwuma ya enka party entimi embuli wo and then police ni service on kasa air7 ni man no how all treat a driver for how all treat citizens no na ni enje ho but he has no option than to do that to survive because all police ni mu no o hwe tax connection fee je no ansa na o tima wura police nim na o wura mu kura no akatu a emba na fa busa sa dan na only other choice than to take 2 cities alongside the road. Are you listening to me? So police need in appointed this car. I'm telling you the reason why I want this car. On one case, our friend corrupt. But the society, I say nobody was born to be a criminal, but the society says so. Nobody was born to be a criminal, but the society says so. Police, you know, and you're not paying anything. Hey, what up from about Moncocha? We know Jimmy Go. Nemo share system no adwuma eni ho na why lucky na yatimi de na hye baabi empo protocols a obetuatua empo bribes a obetuatua when you ko police na unkra 5,000 3,000 7,000 untimi nko bebre ya de omusika di omo frɛ ka kire de bia untimi nya kwan nko o calculate sika wa sa obrane amane ne ha wa form atima du ha just atade na sha oni choice bia ne salary samba oni choice bia so beti 2 cedi okwa ho dia hwefia hwema hwe get obi o mo deda mu a obedu police headquarters bia police ni bia ye to ice block ni ice water na o mo free ba ko so si kwana no na o mo pa boa ye kwana no say to twom oti mu se oni choice bia se we petu amamro be so mo fa nkobokro no o mo abiti mi ni akonfo ne ye like bang we basic or China times on befa this on befa say no makosia only choice be to involve him or herself in that thing to gain money. Any police in military, any military in teaching, a teacher for bread. A teacher for bread, and a teacher from nurse for a name no kasai. We have a lot of people in military, a lot of people in police, not because they have the police at heart, say we want to serve our country as policemen. Due to unemployment, any amochire nti mame so me nkonko batare ni bi hye intade na kasa na oye na kasa oni odo bia so de ye bet amochire ne obrenya amane nti o so oye. That is the country we are living in. And next for mu hospital, I'm not saying so mu nyina, but most of them and any passion so be nurse on pe profession no and na koma so or no on pese ko be nurse ni, but amochire ni amane ahochire ni unemployment adwuma eni honti no oko school wanye home econs oko school wanye science me kan kura we account we business me kan kura e bia wo koye general as and so owi school check ahwa niema nkoyie ma me fa me ho ngem san ko performance ni binto yentuatua protocols me sister ba ko nursing training me sister tua 40 million as protocol fee ke obi gidi ke ansa na ne ba ni timi anya access to nursing training no. It was Sky General. O free Mumbrana Akoma, the professional. Obasa Babetna feeling Pan Jumakra. And Yama Nipanam Wahan have no idea. The member boss in Mako school, no. The easiest way to be unemployed graduate in this country is to go to university. Me know say last month, huge number of students, 275,000 graduate or my graduate make a chira say or mun never be the line so unemployment graduate line so ya fa na mu 1% na benya adwuma they are can nyina na be the unemployment graduate line so it's about time we take our country back. What it's about time we take back our country. Ukusa branti ni so a na girlfriend na you have no idea. To see a solemnness, like I see a bomb penny for the pressure. Say MPP ni NDC or your mind here. You have no idea. I'm on a fois, I walk went to him. I won him, dear old war. Best of Buffy, Babel Buffy. I'm on a fois, walk went to him, won him, dear old war, Best of Buffy, or Muntimimba. Omaka kwantum omunyo maje so mubeba oba 2 things involved either say oba be wuntem ana obeba me yawe ho ska nyina firi ho na wasa pebosia kwa dia fa plane ediako akwakodi parliament ni wura ofa airport hai ofa odi niama ba hai niama ekoso wa hanenye monda odoman komasi se ye ni youth ne kasa yen kan kire o mo se Empia to sekan. A catcher of Mose or Momo in the one again in the Mundaho. For 4 we are fire I take him for granted that check. Now the man was on my way until see a best sorry you to the best one any year done. Say another uncle Kufado at age 70 something. One to me and Yatima, my you to know. Now the Ocean one is a wonder what take 71 for. Now we paid your market your 79%. At 2 penny for na catch him. Now, my civil servant for 4%. And my mum was a wee budini in the trade to our bigger. Me no crazy ba. Me by we are numera. The man who sent me home, me want but ni bien see. Now, me the asida, some book a cracker in your year. A be mamma who support to freedom fighters, Nini. Nah. Mo must share your video. Mo must subscribe to your channels. Mo must support you financially. the accident in Kabia and Mamma. Mamma Quentum support to ye. Boama inya bass, I hope what the funny pabaye. Or do man come and come. Now, me mamma grandshare. So, my way, Sanya ye me no you pay sukrana. A man of a baby. No better than Sakasian and Anum sorry, baby. And you mind what said the name, no unity because a Yanara assassinate about the day my Mujayan and Anum did to all my yano. A BBC. Together, we will make history. Ye be dear girl. Ya mamma, here, Mamma be Binchram, Mamma Branty, Mamma be Binchram. You two are Minimo Casano. But the beginners see in Co University. By Minim Casa. Ah, but make us a Minim Casa passes a medium fee. Because I'm medium Fiaco University, I call the law school or the TV, so kind of brought for some. It's my name because I'm doing this year. The Medina baby, I made a car, made them near Contra today. A fala. My men, I never touch my sister as a Macassa MPP. The Medina Sicam never told me one day. I think I be mammy cast be at the mammy dear. So, fellas, appear for some penny quarter Canada. Oba live or Cassam MPP. It's me bagan, and I say to me, man, this protection there. Freedom fighters, Cassia, Dania, winning at the support. I come end this year. You better mean say Kofo. You can't say the support, you support to come MPP. You better mean say Kofo. But yet, Nancy Jimmy said, I did it that way, and yes, it did the break. And yet, the men didn't name, I mean, name, hear me. And yet, dear Miss Spams, no woman, you know, what they can't say, cannot be saying. Spams and the bar no mama because me na me say ka no so betimi ate abafom na nka matumi awo e ka na kwa na ekosoro spams no mo beka ha che munyambae enye no ntiria enye de me medi ne ntira fire from above dey dia oye no enye de onu no bedi ne e ka de bedi ne ya anaka the politicians no mo ne ani come back door hey you have no idea enye ni na de betimi aka ye kasi greedy for yes ka ye pesika na se ye funti ne ba ya ke amen da ke aka no otuma na se ke gina baby cry bo ma binom but ni amtira we are there for the youth and we are there for the betterment of the generations to come. It took some people to stand for us today any namna any ageno e binom na so gina emre bi atwam such history encourages us. And nay, you call demonstration. No, Mubedia dance yourself. So, share Ghana, so, share Ghana. Your currency, I would write was big 640 the wusu. But out of the big 6, no, back open your body team. I didn't. You call demonstration. No, Nipa back open and Namutin team. They be out, be a bin and no palm in chroma. And so you come and chroma and Ababe and Penny will marry. And Nipa be brain, Ababe Mampenia, Kwame Nkrumah Wukoe, Jerry John Rollins, Abba, Baby Abako, a Kufaro no Papa in Abacos, a from Fonum, Papa no Nina Bako, JJ Rollins, Swabako, Atames Abako, Kofua Bako, Domahama Bako, Kufa, that's what so 330 set a boy engine, or Munya, that's what so. And so you to no more Manoswa, Kwame Nkrumah, you to no more Manoswa, Kwame Nkrumah. Maybe someone will say, Kwame Nkrumah Kwana in the history of 64 years old country. Why a legend more minor now? I didn't know Kwalano Sodia, the beer Kwame Nkrumah. A binum person come back Katana Bakosemso, a binum person can a Jumo baby, a Umuguna, Kajuma, Krabe, refer and Quebec as a Kwame Nkrumah, Mama Yabe, and so still you to do Subonity. And no Mamaka, Papa Biasa Mokaya was a dimple way, yes, Amuna. Kwame Nkrumah ni mansion, Biagu baby. When this Kabia bank account to be or dear Yagan in Mabia. And so the power yes yamunya first na me nim se bia me se ma ho den kwa na me nim se bia me kasa kwa me video we bia na me ti gina ho na me sisi the me farm after the demonstration no me widiem because me ko bi da and I'm not such long because me know be a me pet that such much exercises I saw. They me no but Masanya what the frobi ma who said no offer. I do man we na umbrengwe you to na mama hu. Na together we will make history. Ye be ko yenim. Ye be ko yenim. Eniema be sesan. Eniema nyi se yada. E me oba mu muda se Ghana nye yibim dabi. Ghana be yi. Ghana be yi. Nancy also I see you. Ghana ibe na e was say starting there. Obi mfiri soro meye mayen. Nyame mfiri soro meye mayen. Asoro abofo obi mfiri soro meye mayen. Ne moka frem ni anyita frem mfiri soro meye mayen. Eye meni wum yenu ne was ye sori ne. Na meni agise de mpo na woni Ghana ha na wa kwanto mpo e wa komapa ne opepa e ma oman no nkanko wode wo na ho de wo sika wo nyansa ne wo nim de e supporto minja mo aseda da because what am wasia because me who say no there is a great change coming. And I'm my best son. And near my best son. So we be just the entire demonstration. Yet me to any kind. Say Germany on the 14th February na kopon away from me fan to mamo. Germany me back gidi. Me kwa for Libya because demonstration no me ye wo me nko demonstration da. It is a me so mo ye ni TV so a na me yam hihye me hu se ye koso ba bia na me suro. It we na me kon although na me wo akoma no say no I have to stand somewhere but na we dey na there is a little fear but after demonstration we no as a me padia no da bia Germany for me kofa Libya ba me kofa ba fireman me wi a be di nkomo me fa ba so hefa na me si hefa na me fa desert no so fa Libya hefa me ba anu 14 by mo Germany I'm rapping live Germany for Karianzu kakari soro na magbona la Germany a demonstration me kata me woga la Germany a maka fo manya azona blom magbona ma Libya to gaba Germany
so boy Ghana for was falling hangina Ghana near my wudonti ya to safro say e Saturday the 14th of August 2021 yenina ye boom ne fix Ghana now Germany demonstration kasia pa ye show Dortmund Hobanoff if you are 12 e kopima 6 p.m. ma man Ghana hu hia ne brevi na Ghana di ya wonso be di demand accountability and corruption now hashtag no ye fix Ghana now
meba gidi she say ade na ba be kan mi moja ho ma hanko bi kra mi ho ntimi ntome meba magbona re Germany na mi pe o me meba magbona ti fireman mi wie ya yankasa mi ni passport mi ntimi ntwa plane ticket and so baby afa ko Germany na me ba bi 14th mi si mu china fireman
so boy Ghana for was falling hangina Ghana near my wudonti ya to safro say e Saturday the 14th of August 2021 yenina ye boom ne fix Ghana now Germany demonstration kasia pa ye show Dortmund Hobanoff if you are 12 e kopima 6 p.m. ma man Ghana hu hia ne brevi na Ghana di ya wonso be di demand accountability and corruption now hashtag no ye fix Ghana now
Kosovo Germany Dortmund Germany for big ups minim se be koso minim se krantie bia mefra medimi wo ho na de wo ya krantie a dim na minim se fireman na kasa de animu more fire Kosovo Dortmund on the 14th of August the politicians dey buy en chen a wo mu fa 20 kan na ba te da me ka che ono tieriye the politicians dey buy en chen a wo mu fa 20 kan na ba womo de womo anumu asem ne ba eba be bo platform podium ahodo obetwa ntora ahodo kire yen enti se niam e koso na senya yenso your right here street ne so enti mu amwo amanone no Germany for wie se kim Italy for meba be se akọ Germany akwa ko wie demonstration no mi wie meba Italy na me ne mo ba be wie o Italy ansa na mafanso no so asa back me fa play me na munso no so be fa aga de asa back to Ghana enti said your man for 20 kind of beji to me free hono yanso beti street no so aka de ho ya kire wo mo na yama wiase amanfo mpanifo nyina hu de esi Ghana no DW akọ Al Jazeera mpanifo radio TV big channels ni nyina peke akọ mountain mokona mokopa bo se bebi sa moa muji sika na mode ye den nkwala ni susa muji sika na mode ye den na mabunu ni susa muji sika na mode ye den na mabuna tese susa ama kontuo mu fo nyina anya bresa mo Germany for mene mo na ebe wu sa da no
Cho boy Ghana for was falling hanging on Ghana near my who don't ya to suffer say Saturday the 14th of August 2021 yenina ye boom ne fix Ghana now Germany demonstration kasia pa ye show what Dogman Hobanov if you are 12 6 p.m. my Ghana won here ne brebi na Ghana di ya won so be di demand accountability and corruption now hashtag no ye fix Ghana now
ebi no mon te fix na se ya wie demonstration ahodi wo yi ye hu se still e was say bi nipa no bi no ma adwenem dedicate nipa ne bi be nya botera ba be kire mu be a fix ne ka fix bi a be be pese e kire de pese e kire ka fix the country de pese e kire e be ba be kire ni nyina mamo ate ase but mo po mu mpu the headline is fix the country whether you like it or yes some fix your mind na Ghana for bre enema moda na di suban amamo toto ya moda na di wa nyina nkire say wo mpanimfo wo ma we mu irrespective of tribal affiliation irrespective of political affiliation my brother let's call a spade enema nya wo fom ha sei intimi kan ya no ntumu sa say ko kan be kun enti da bi ti madam nyina ase obusha me ne asi mama me fancy ha madam nyina ase Germany for nim sa fireman wo ho die bibia befa bibia beto ye besramo a enkwasi asem akoso a che wo mo asisi a che na brante ba kokro mama giga ye brante wi aho kirenti champion ti ma nya sika free takorade amankran timi usa boa parago timi fa play free one state to the other so akwohwehwe obi a woka nokra ma Ghana fo a na ma hu se broni aboa bibini pa ka mo ne do so o ma boa ni last me program ka kire mu say how many Ghanaians and timi ni parado say no Kumasi a o mutimi fa VIP say me kwa Accra akwohwepo wo biti Kumasi wo hu poda wo be hu po agi TV so no hu poda so we 50 Ghana akọ VIP station akọ fa VIP bar say oh this time around I wanna have something have some exposure you know I'm going to Accra to visit my capital city I want to see a pool how many Ghanaians need me ever Kumasi for some America how many people in Kumasi need me for VIP bar say bank say ba help your brother enti me amba Accra from Takoradi just say way your transportation and so was it that never say that until the poles are completely rotten and we jina hono Takoradi one man demonstration Takoradi or record on the jina hono one kwa what me anya transportation amakla was it that champion man I'm proud of you what I am proud of you. When you say the man say yeah boy Duma, we are not just making noise. Now the mumma ya 1 year 2 years. Gradually, ya beji ya mine. Now what this can be answer ya beji adie. Na man who ya monana no munti na kurum ha. Shia ukurum ni ebisawo. And I say o chan o dane no. Na me hu say wona na ne chama mutumo na na ne ese do nkatia wona na ne kufa do. Aje wo fa back. Aje wo 300 meters. Na a signal e was some penifone timi hu de boba no mutu wana mo obi say I want to see beach free ebe kwame obeka say me boa me say Ghana ni dodo say ni timi fa bus free Kumasi say e konkran akohwepo ebinum kra at beach enia wo munko bi da wo muni made kro enam enkwasi system ntini pakora nya hoto wo no ankasa man mu na wo de boronia timi aya adoma hihye kuro na wati menya opportunity akopie ho no mu a wo se wo ma etire na esi wo konso no nso nsa anya adwuma wo bekọ so agimi ada wo gimi suban adi ama Ghana fo hu se wagimi se tope se de Ghana fo na wo UK no koda wo gimi suban na di se tope ama se ye hu se Ghana fo wo Ghana ha se ya ho kire na ama bebiri afole for MPP and NDC na gimi no magimi wo ya ho kire me na meka me kire taxi driver ye fa no de ne call demonstration no me ne imagine na taxi driver ye fa no de ne call ye no imagine pisans identity na won join the demonstration no woni masemo kan o se minya meba o se no mistakes no this o te petrol beto film titi film a pisans na beka 50 Ghana bi o wo yere o wo ma make o wa kra ye busan 40 ya metwane sankole ase ho ya brother won kra bo so mesu ya afafo afre no nti o jai ko ye demonstration kra na e combat bi no nti won timi jai nkonko ye demonstration no still the part of the system we what me to kwa ye free makwa broni manso ati metu kwa ya free makwa broni manso o sori anopa wo timi nya adwuma ko wo ma enye wo burden aban hwe mu esuku sem ye papa Musa hankofo no nyame betutua muka Antoanya ma bekuku mu agrada beduda simutiri mo ba bere wusa hankwase wuo mo na mokra ye enoma akra nya no ma asoso afi I form be pai tsunami besi ebe fam hurricane Katrina hurricane kwa me be besi wa manone na be pepa mo amosa hankwase ampafo na mo mpa man ye kwase propaganda no hurricane kuma besi US ne Canada mpotem ho na afelisa pe ebe kwakofa wo dan aboaba wonya mutere Okono so mamu ndia koro se baba twintwa yanem chama wo you living legend wase mantimi anya transportation and kwakra enso men kamanu ntumuda woti ase wo ye dia yekun ba o ma wano so so yekun na ye nyina be bia no bi be sinsi mo amope Dortmund direction no misra mo contact Germany for no I ma say Queen Jackson mo wa ha omo wa Germany Mr. Henry David nim so baba be life obama Dortmund for no direction mo wa Germany na mo pesa mo join Dortmund for no obama mo nyina direction na mo timi adjoin why mo nyina mo join me ba be first car life itina ma wura mfi say me si me giram me ba be life we will take back our country yendo bin time will be o man no ni hia yen e pesa Ghana timi drum pempen so bia Ghana ni badwe ne man ho first than the political party what you say ko US party for parties wo and so na US abonten a unhu party bia flag US flag na unhu US flag na unhu eni 1 minute bia wo ko US your party wo your Democrat wo and your Republicans wo and so unhu party bia flag United States of America a flag na unhu woko Germany ni mpotemu a parties wo woko UK ni area Holland ni ade a omo so ye politics but the country first that is what we are speaking about and dia makwasi ampa ni bia mbe kroso ye embetwintwa ya na mu yenya bre na yenya baako nso ye dom freedom fighters ye dom yenya baako odo saka baako ado saka nyina na mani je na me wo kuku woni mani je wo makomam se de youth na wo Ghana no wo akoma pama freedom fighters no na da fire man be si kroma no be se wo chen kufu ado wo chen otumfo da Jonas be si kroma no be se sa wo chen kufu ado wo chen otumfo because mo na mo ka no kora ne ma youth no enkwase media house se wo form ha se nyina nka no kora ma youth no wo mo kwaji jisika didi me wia na wo mo youth no ho enti youth na ni breye no omo sane gu media houses ni bi so enya panifo ne ba mu kasa ya enko omo papa ebinom sotoro ebinom do omo na se mirika na dwane ye me na meka me kira wo enie ma me ni kira wo moa youth na hu se enka ye ti wo yi metia me ya meni senso mentimi ye wo wo yi enka ye kasamafo ene ka media no ye nim se ka media houses no omo ne ye kasamafo Woman and Quebec Biamayi, woman a dear Sember Tumpenny for them, woman a baby try and put a more watch them penny for no, woman a become grassy a month for a certain amount for team, woman a walk camera papa, woman a was Chicago, woman a betting me a quite teaching the bench here, a man penny for whom the rare condition of Ghanaians. Media houses and I was some years, me of I mean, called journalism school beer. I don't know any media ethics. Mean called journalism school beer. Eti then I me mum na was a fatum mamuso, a quite teaching the bench, a confidential wura, a child, a cost of watching them. Project a whole Akaka Wuram, Kwame Nkrumah project, Akaka Wuram, Kwame Nkrumah companies, industries, Akaka Wuram, a day who drop a day Saglamel, Sablamel, a day who drop a Wuram, hospital project, Aka Wuram, school buildings, Aka Wuram, media houses in a Yomajuma, and so Jimmy Adoli Wamu, Pesabin Kumina, politicians at home, woman politicians in Yabako. Woman United cocaine dealers, or we am robbers, or we are more passive for, and I have a control cano, woman solely, no moon politician with you, no matter interview. How many times I'm being interviewed at the Japon, Kwao, Kroma say, I think, Munko Gracia, more. You to say, hey, women I can't cry my share my fair conference, fair press conference. Any shame when you because I may want at you and say, Maba mobile study is between to have come, I become you, and almost sunny is so good. Media houses and so UTV for them and crop for it just go almost so and I'm penny for the bell mobile or Masia come over when the PC Ghana youth in any abre or Mamusa him from Kano cry or man wimu I him from Passiam Puff for no binum more Mudim Mabuna Modem one over to Mama politician na ye the Yano Cramosamon Cassam Passiam Puff for more I saw for more I saw from Cassiam Puff for more Crum Hamusamon Cassa and TCS said this young Quabegani. But this time around, no, I take to an intel or crow musomon cassa, yemu binum illiterate to say no binum, at the quafford to say no binum, a young format to say no binum, a young formanum to say freedom fighters, only be a former iron former and another number for you, Macan of Cratch and Pennyforno. And this time around, you tell them was a media, no so a political party on its own. Media on a party, or tie MPP near this year. Wow, Baba, this will be an boy, Chidom now would Quasiasem into you to now for one chomo, one year one day. A penny for the bum, ni you to never cassa, Munyabutre. Yabre for me, Muchamunso, who fiado Mamuni now, Muchamunso. Penny for the bum, no Becassa, Munyabutre. No money now, we you made your money BBD until Modia Hotre, yes, sir. And gradually, we get there. Media saw my women can Ukraine in Aya, which is that. There are a lot of journalists in the media. Omo person mo kan okore but adwuma ni ho okoka okore sisi anya yi na dia. How many of them na wo sika te Captain Smart what him ate na ho? How many of them wo sika te Okata Jeffrey fa what him ate na ho? And nam fire kan no okore enti bebre na de aho kire eni sika ni ho and e de hye baby di kakra enti media na wo sa no you to need your one ade. You to near be, you must have him for Crum Ham Wye. I saw for Crum Ham Wye. Politicians look at the Nahan the Kankai. You to near brain. Oh, dear, what for free, dear you. Obebeya, can be me and tea, toss upon. And Quasia celebrities in the me who be. Me who be. DJ yes or boss at our new man, you to say, Yempesa ankwasi anyom no. Mumma reggae ma ye lucky do be mo wu ko. Enti youth na ni da ho. E kakan kakra bedu ho. Wo ja say kakan kakra bedu ho. Na so omo so nya adwuma na social media da roma. Facebook da roma. E beba be ka no kra kire mpanifo na youth no so betie yen. Se amtie ani foda fa ya o magin so mo nte band no so nte data no so na nipa do mati benya. Enso nipa kakra beti nya ba no. Ye be kan de wo se ka kire wo mu. Na gradually we will get there. What did I make a turn? Gradually, we will get there. This is just the genesis of it. This is just the beginning of it. And my encouragement be, my motoswobi, my jidiebi, a brain yakwa. You be do baby, what? Wabamu, why? Koswani jina pinting. Na ebefa kwa change na kai. Na you be do on. Huh? Munya ya mwana display wa quality. You was with omo was if you be film omo ni kwa se film ye film omo betwitwa enam ye bekoso kan asempa kire manfo besere mo amo support ye no amo mama ba mu se Ghana no enye yi ebeye yi na mu yare a ededa kro bae no emfa da kro na ekọ kro no ankofo we apoye amani atete ya YouTube na famu no gradually ye beji ya mai enti ka akomatu yem na jidise eniema beyeye na nyame de also de maye no de amaye no akokodura emu binum de kasa akokodura fireman de kasa akokodura ohini David akokodura Dr. Ren akokodura Abraham Ben Moshe akokodura fire mama ba akokodura sugar drop akokodura Bible commando akokodura ye de kasa no me kam kirew enya kwa ne bedu honom me da munyina ase busia me de mbesi ha why na pompa ya mamu se nyam kam nyina mo na mamu support freedom fighters ni nyina odoma kuma kam ho de mo besi ha ya wi ahodi wo we die etire nyanti ye die ye njai chesheta until the bones are completely rotten we are not giving up o pesa o freba number ni 0554224092 ubeti ma why frɛ na so bra betire why 0554224092 freba why Oko YouTube Helen TV mon support mon subscribe na mon share na mon boa enti mon kosoro mon support freedom fighters ni nyina na ye nyamoa together we will make history o pesa o fra me pa cho jemfi afojo ha type number ni to so mama why na wona pesa frɛ no na me mbie phone line na mo meturu fire kakra 0554224092 Mame pick number no ha 0554224092 opesa ofre direct call anasa opesa ofre WhatsApp call ubetumi afre why mame mfre ha mame pick we ha hello masa opesa opasa so ana
so that I guess I'm boss.
Ujina GH Hour TV flow for me
Ghana and penny better to was as a man what I am way. Also opening in the Ekahubini and penny for me and Quasia, opening the for first time I see Kurua 2 days. The back at Uncle Aboa, you know, making any sense. Because Uncle Aboa, Sanaka and Quasia. The Grua, my pet, I could only do my things and little and tears that I can yampa. Ghana only my catching the apple grass and Okan in Quasia. Eventually. The young Quasia now, country, because I am a no idea where you penny before. Said the Egyptian Quasia, but the cat was at the inn before Tinka. And you know, I'm a baby, why? Because you will not go back. I'm a child who could look at it and say, Santa Marcella came to kill me, saying, Nella, some now which I don't tears was a young Quasia. I'm a child, you catch me. Then I will catch it in his as long as I don't know what the Akaya Sache. I don't know what the Akaya Sache. It you be a sorry company for the Jana Mambo Bruna who said, no, let me tell my uncle for a second and come for me. And as I heard you were, was you could was your control mana. You are going to screen anyhow. I could drink any bubble piano. Because you cannot walk up and put in the answer. Now, just a guy I really pattern from control by who ate a papa and creative issue because of Olympic this new. Who are or being no politician, which in the country and the Hadano. The only campaign of the help and a security pet and na de be ka che no ya ka bi system na hye gu ho a wo se bi o ya ponje kwa ne bi hye ko yan so kru mu a ponje be di system no so o ni so a ono anga ta party members be ka se masa yento so di fi akunya no so ko because we need a system am na ko fi that extent no yes I had your penny for all our control president actually say 37% me fa ho me fa ho your ministers how many ministers in Ghana the foreign ministers ko 15 that ko be na ye adwuma e ni ko to wakra other 15 akanya ti bongo ni do mo yo Ghana ko as ministers of Ghana be ni ya to salary 57% then analysis go ha what part of minister bi aje 50 million Ghana oye 50 million oye na 57% of the account 63 million be kan salary home so you ministers mako 63 million that say 630 million 630 million if nurse ni ko community nurse and as teacher ni ko we clinically but mako 16 which is another 60 the some ministers 100 abra sasi ka de kosa ministers you know e be na nurses mako 600 na fe sa kare ya ko mosala hunu sika ya ko mosala hunu
medase mobimlabi wa medase mobimlabi medase mo fire medase chairman master odini beba free
Italy your friend Hassan
flow for me Hassan flow for me
ofaya ye damasini adwuma pa moni Avram Bemoshe ne uniform ka fix the country ni na mo yeso yedimochi mo nkwa mo ofaya monya di mo nkwa to nkwa na mo di ato no
that's all mo fire
Ghana na ye wono wo nyafo bia nka bi maye na media houses ne so de ofaya da ye be sori bioma ye nyina ye be ba Ghana no that media houses e wote jato ni nyina mu ye mu se Ghana na ye te no Facebook na ye den radio bibia because media houses no fire omo nim fa forma o mai no uka bi de ni de ba Kofi Adoma mu na community kom onim se o fire ono ani sika na omo ye den omo twa kakra bi e de se ma no edi ma no ni sika kakra na omo twa de ma no na ni so ba wonim se dia anka e wo se ye ni dia no obi ahodo agu e dia ma ni nana no e dia ma obi a wonya nwo mo because Akufo-Addo do ma mo I said don't get ya omo sika o ma prago na enye omo mba sika na o ma prago o ma pro mo mba dia agu ho e na o ma sa pe omo nana e dia agu ho afena wo se ya hwe Yesu a Ghana Akufo-Addo nana e be sa be di president
AC Krom ha yani abri AC da wam ka ha anka ha komtimi ntina
esa ebe ye sedio ebe chebi any gonja fon konja to prepare na make action no fire
that's more fire
because obi no wa wajini sa Akufo-Addo be ba da ye dey ebe ba be diso o man su de se de ye mi ya Ghana tabia mi ka se Ghana no mbrofuna ma ye bitre ye ho ye history sanka ye Ghana ye krobi ye history ko ye nimu anka Akufo-Addo anka toilet kura no ye fa toilet kura e chena ni nsemo Ghana ho because bre we ni na no Africa ni na bra wo bre ntira Akufo-Addo no obi anyi na ye no Africa bra wo bre ni na no e na Akufo-Addo mo so Africa branding na nti ofaya
mo fire
wallahi mi danyame aduma mo ye no wo obi obetina nche me se fe because who the omo gezi face the country na ofaya na makoma ye me ya manje ye kuna menya akoma ya rio because
abotre ye bedu ho obi mo nyina fi kwan ni oda mo nya abotre
ye wo abrochire ofaya enye abrochire ni nyina e ba ya nka enye obi a Ghana nka ya dani wi fo Ghana ona ye na mo kwa o
exactly
Uti mu se me yare ya ofaya o me ti pa ye wa hu unim de si ye ambulance mi ni na e ba yo at the spot ye frɛ ye no mi nu ene ye de ene yi ni ti ba ena ye ko hospital mo se no se de ma pra no anka ye delay be 20 minutes kura ena me se oh, we are going to crew man come move.
That's it. Mammy, why?
The way I put out in the bed, Mama.
Mammy, hello.
Yeah. Oh, fire.
Oh, Papa, we didn't have free.
I am from Nancy because I feel Waka.
Nancy, who was about you made in the Swana?
But
Ujina Soda, flow for me, Nancy.
In fact, the demonstration meant to me and Baba Menia Jankasa.
Medase, more fire. Yababa Baby Kumasi. Into your do Kumasia, a Boaka for you now, more represented life. Nancy was so. Hello? Oh, Nancy is afraid of why. I am Sir Corno. Hello?
Hello?
Master, I didn't have a free.
Hello? Me patch your friend, me free kata.
Kwaku manunko mami 1 minute, manunko.
Me patch your Madame Sapani, Jima Palm, where you're Ghana. Namasa, Oba be Duke, Oba, your card at the hospital free. Ghana, even who could have insurance card, crowd hospital, Kramasa, and Yaguma.
More fire.
What is it? And what a some quarter penny for a Mudu Krumo. What I ought to Abanamo movie, Umudi Omudi, because it's scanning you. No, this scanner to talk for cars, not to disease this year dying. Master, no more moment, Kusu, a pop-up performance, almost sorry. I remember I'm here, I can't free a Gianni or Mono school feeding the master. So we share one granted Gianni or Moody, Barney still be or more, among Grana Massa. Now, scanning almost sorry on this scanning from not just on my year or no, just a quite a canoe, you credit crime and found. Mosano Muslim Cranamo to react and see a moment, but the summer papa. Massa, Yamia Brew, Naya, Wakata, and so I can see a boy on 1 day, no. One day, something demonstration. That's it. What I say, Yabama Spanish.
Medase. Mammy Fawi. My phone, Munya Butreno, and I'm dear both WhatsApp and direct call. Mamma, Pokia Diana. Hello? Hello?
Good evening.
Evening, Papa, didn't be free.
But your friend, maybe girl, make us a so.
The first say, Abigail, flow for me. Abigail, flow for me.
Hey, of my own. I tell my
more fire.
Most of you not. Coming class, me, mammy penning my income. Let me say, not in a youth, almost ran much of voice when you don't pay for you. Let me go for teachers and I may follow, let me see by enemy wolf. Until Sammy by a good school worker can say, man. Do you know what, man? I'm wanting to come attend. You know what the other was a man, maybe a corporate. No, school now, or just work a crack. They may so just government school and work on different president. Any experimental over 2,000 students come to this school and say, no. And I'm saying, oh, that's just a country, see the country name.
And your money,
you come to see the attitude. Because many months until someone needs Yina penny for a shiny wolf, and so never mind penny over 60 years. We treat you with a mamma, not classy.
Muna bisa focasa.
Moti MPP ni chira na FPP. Oh, this is another one. Abali you could do that. Na me say the country mun change na munye no face no vote. Nyawo.
Yaba kumase. Yaba kumase. Medase papa me chabu shanfo nyina. Mon spread the message ni mabushafo nyina. Say intimate na ho man ko we buye kwasi na bia me nam nyina.
And na just jom udu hono e man ni koma no atu.
More fire. I just so meaning hopper. I just so me ba hopper. E kwan mu lorry kwan ho na dwadi form ma diga. Lorry kwan ho.
Teacher. So only can go many more. Salo ya John Kumana wa baba this.
Medasi.
Upesi so much la kuida. About to do the what about it?
Medasi. I just so minima just so papa. Me we secondary school for na me dipa me swaswa we Yabreo the niema go bag na de nam I just so post office I just so assembly nye na minima just so kwan mu na man for dida the form kwan mu no mu dida moa kasi ni pe be bi wa Me da say man na wo Ghana na nkasa kura ti message. Obapa flow for me.
But me fair but me network ni kati.
And yes I call.
Me say oh celebrities na say on follow mo.
Now udin.
You from Nanesi
flow for me. Nanesi flow for me.
And say celebrities ni na say on follow mo.
Pure.
Cause you for so be inform. Yes, and say on follow mo. And a demonstration so. In fact, freedom fighters in my yard ankasa. Oduman kuma yame on shira mo ankasa.
Videos no mo support mo ankasa money freedom fighters no we nyina
yard. Madam Masive Bray, and people for no one you can end the Jimmy.
Omo ye nam.
But who outside in us who's saying
tilapia so me twa.
We are born as away there. And the one got no blast in another non call for no. And son office or man and son away.
Big ups.
Okay, Medasi.
Miso Medasi Nanesi Obapa more fire. And my way in Nansan. As the Ampaf will be to baby say, did oh, you, Mammy Picky, we were more fire. We didn't be afraid. Hello? We didn't be afraid.
Yeah, fire.
That I didn't be afraid.
Yo, fire already one because I was on number one that I had the family cash because everyone in the group.
Germany for me, boy.
You're report life for 40.
Me count nine. Me say me go find Libya. Flow for me. Germany, flow for me.
Now, we go fire. The media can say, "Yena asidam kuma muna adi ikum emakunu ni magano." Afeni yemuza nyansa no. Common sense na. Yena your boss. The great homie.
Asante for man nyati. Akwase dwom efunu na ni anya bie. Akumase man ya so man nyati.
Wodi ewura mu no. Afena yewuza video common sense na de eye mo agbinim. Se na amanfo ko institute se sa na peye bat. Se eche kakra na anjo angenipa kwa be bunkam so wono. What you say? Na the American na the dika no. Ye fa se da Abraham. What say channel now was started ye no one say was started channel ni say o yi cha kwase hu no enyina afie mu.
Hu na afie mu.
Enti o yi fi hu ni nyina afie mu na na okuka na Bible say you do aje do na nani you papa ni wan ni enti go na akoda say wo yes o yi cha kwase hu ni nyina afie mu no o fi no say Africa ma mu be ti kuro on otisi from some cause ye dinachi no sanity o ye legend living legend ne so won faso kwa che ku fort na tipa de se benton isi wo no faso pie je ku fort no so
more fire
ba ku fort faso pie ni so na wonu
president ya won kasa bibia koso ma we mu bia won ka bi wo be hunu akofru play no okrayen oyo wo be hunu akofru play no okrayen wo be hunu na Twitter no 2020 bro flow for me
Yema hili so oba hanuma no obekika kwasi asem ana me consider tertiary a free tertiary institution amanga one minute no free yes we say SJS mo very simple dem ga me we deep campo say free JSS debit and chana kwa na waye no edukura collapse now university any training college ana be Germany free say obeton obekika san kwasi asem
odabo flow for me
but over here very carefully very frankly oma say be yan mo problem me see next month 29 September ye come for bafi next month 29 September
say fia ye anya mo nkwa anya sa
yo omunikata because see come hanom come ye da number 1 ye very be safe land see ye come on ye safe ye number 1 she said Ghana ni ba kurum hanom so baba be tie do so benya gata no poa me say yes say
because kwasi afo na put transfer to internet no say Ghana is safe me boa
sam kwasi asem na oba no betra be keka no na ana kokofo no so omo nye trofo omo no asem na omo no omo si omo yo enti o be ka asem a o ka wajedi ana more or less what's I president and was a Becky Casam Noa, and you can't watch my video because the Ukro and develop a half year. what me consider the free tertiary education will come. That will school a year. Me want to sing as an idea. Oh, me want as an idea. Opa was your opposition suit. Why would you teach a fusion? me paper to go and match you. And you know, the make a cat was at Islam. Ya started. Ya first demonstration last night. Ya part of the chair people. Ya part of one to answer you to know. Ya more demonstration. I'm supposed to say you to say, I don't know already so 2024. And you know, one more country of my number or Katache Mensa. On the next president 2024. Because I was Shafonian from one. We are coming to more fire.
Roberta. Already remember why. I'm a cemetery for nipa 2 per hour. Now, I'm for nipa 2 per hour. Now, I'm for tattoo. Up on the papa and the buff. Hello, Papa. Hello, Papa.
Papa.
Hello. No, you know, I'm sure.
Yamia Dumbo.
Who pass over the Median Swana? Flow for me. Flow for me.
I feel so, and I'm a Mamunina. Yamin Tumon Quanem. No Yamudi. Na Ghana, Efan into my pefra.
More fire.
Mobile when I'm Namipacho before I met Wasono. Upon Chibi will program Nasi as Okada Manu said, "Give it what I am patrol block and a mammy."
More fire. More fire.
Yeah, me patrol.
What was that? Nipa share mooding common. Abua be abanti, abuan is bad. I deep if I will be on so I am. And here in the bay
because all star TV demonstration, I am a channel. And I know now comment Nasi Awoji. We were saying about
Sir, Papa. Akokodura yenya sese no enye Facebook comment edi atemu ye timi kwa Facebook kodina kwa kasa kire mpanifo enti wo ye bema no wo hia ye wo ho wo beta ha be di atemu ya say wo nya bema wo ye oba ye ne timi kasa wo hasa tisi street ni so no wo ye bema no wo hia ye wo ho ne ye hu wate enti mama koma koma ntu wo mo ye keyboard warriors keke wo mo nya bema wo mo ye ma me da so papa me da se
we masam tie nyina ne say masam a me de ba tie nyina ne say obi a wo program yi so a o tie mi se nipa ne wo Ghana me sre omo they say NDC ni MPP no ye ni omo awie ye tutu from on the August 4th no and na ye di omo ahye omo wu ye omo ya ye omo yi awie enti no say no Senya Oma Trese Omo Ghana Hodon, Omo Yina Yenye Bako. Na me ya dumna say it me nipa Bakwa and Sakaye Emra Ghana. Because Ghana Mebuno Atrese Omo do Ghana. Entin say Yenina Ye Baku near Gina Nipa Bakweti. On the 4th, ye MPP ni NDC for a year, ye see Omo, ye no beer near Assembly. Entin Yen Nayan Cambo Muni and Yabako, Nayama Ghana, and fun into my pa infra. Entimas Chetia Meka every
Medase, Papa, Medase. Odoma Kumankamu, straight up, more fire. Obapa in the phone as a for Papa, Medase, and no supporter at the time at here. Now me come home. Me see, Meva. I mean, we bear my last caller. Yenya hufo. Womo mo be ye social omaboba social media so ebe didi atem womo ye ma womo ye hufo. Womo ye mema yetisi kuroma de no mama. Muama. Obe didi atem ho amutwa no mo. Oba master flow for me. Hello?
Abusiana, omote ten.
That time me ho na so e.
Oba na don. Yedi kan, me ma money yo. The money na ma ba so especially. Uka na when ya odi boy eduma no. Yes, very why eduma. Now we know what. Opa, fire ka no bi ga no fire o ta botre. Ate me na ta ta. Obi o be ti o be fire.
Mate. Oh, Mate, next time, remember na fire. Next time, remember na fire. Why? Remember na fire. Medase 1 week off be. I was saying nipa resting team. Medase. Papa. When I say the best, me here vacation. You feel be vacation. Minimum recording so na say the car we be there. Enti me here vacation. Why we need vacation? Me sure I won't blame me why. Me here vacation. There badia because nipa bre. Oh, what I say? Ali agozo. Kwa nyabe kulukata ugozo ta. Aleke na how. Akuturo baba. Toviale gado muna muku viare mandole me iya vacation what I say minimum the crowd there bet minya bia babwa say the omo kan de we na se be ya nsa eti munya vacation na ka ma brem bi na ka me so mati mi dey arrest kakra why boga mo fire abusia me da munyina ase mo am support ye empaibom mo share your video mo comment ye me ba dem fi afọjo wo sere sa no ni vacation ana wo sere sa opani Data.
We there, Charlie.
Data.
Charlie. We share. So demonstration we want. I say. We at this way be if meson. Like. Who feel it? Who feel relief? Make candada.
More fire.
Who feel relief?
Yeah.
I'm telling you. Share. Of fire. Ghana be ye.
Ebefa.
Na sa. Empenimfo na omono omayo madwe se o makọ jiji niam bia be hye ho ntinu hwe ekufo ado kasa na okan ye no masa e wo se mo maye ni pray because wan kasa kwa aboni trimu po onim de opeso oye nti yenso yenwa ye ho yenwa ye ho so omo si omo aboa mo ho de a yenso yenwa ye ho na Ghana no enye obi adia omo wi omo dio yes ye nyina ye dia nti obi antumi nkyere yen de wo se ye na emu ebuo ne ye de mo se ebuo ne ye de mo no mo se omo mpe dia ene ye be kyere omo de wo se ye na the demonstration eba biom no eye massive eye eno way is just kakakwamu na omo ye no
just the beginning
yes yeah bought title beginning titles amamo afena movie na nkasa ba be start na omudi omo be hu bibi enye obi na be ka trom so omo pack omo bag ni omo form passport infi kuro no mo nja kuro no man to be honest with you see me that mo ase na ejuma hwe yeda na share the mo freedom fighters free my family wo fire mo nyina challenge ami shiramu no ma mo akukuduro e share free father me personal friend na me personal friend all start when minim de otumi ye you know enye obi me say asa youth no mo sorry na mo fire adwen emma ye ni kambom
no
na ye kabom asa ampe omo no ma dwen na ya cake no ye mpia omo ngu ba bi ni ye kroni ye ni entinam meda was
nso medase abusia we dey na come in fa frofo bia mu bet mami abawuram dia mami fa ni ya me last call hello mami we dey wawuram manu come mami
Listen, Brahma Bre, Yamishra mu papa. Where dear, Nami see Ghana, dear, mini Ghana to Quantaya, pie bats. Mama Vim Biabe Remy, Mama, say, my dreams, son. It's in a Yamishramu, no mamma, one day, Naminu say, Yami Bama and Shawan, the near best support to move for Sikafe Muna, my dear papa, Yamishra, Bibia. Now, Master Mamma can't one say, radio station, TV station for next time I move could be won't be dim watching or fire. You should be a shot. Esa mu dio mu djuma papa omo ye kwasiafo mu ye jimi fo na gu omo ye oman bofo mo fire omo ye sa UTV ni mu kwasia niama na omo ti wo ye ni sa abaiwo bi na owo NGFM no sa kwasiafo no o fire ya ni bre abre wa control mu no wo sa mu kwasia keka na mu na land fo no mu bi no mo ajimi no maye mu kwasia niama no omo de ye bon pa se so mu ni nkrata e de omo bebe fie no ma betina sa shit hole na ya president kan ya no mu nti ase no shit hole no ya de omo beba on kwasia fo jimi fo ya me nhira mu no omo mu support to face the country for no me ye jaw mu manyame ye jaw mu manyame nyame nhira mu bebre na edwuma pa mo ye ebe kasa
me dase me fofrefo bia bi me ye mabre wa awia nwumire anopai na me ba bedam ase ama mo hu se de ade no ekoye ene sa wa ahye nkura ne ayiye ni asede wo se me de mammo akwantu ma mo support all buses coming from all angles ebinum bo amanfo no transportation e da mu nyina ase se mfan se na kakra di animi mu hu me mframa mu sa me gya ho me kakra wa enti no yesi ye free bi vacation jamfu afọdọ kire ma de kro ye free bi vacation ti mo ma me so me nko vacation ni bwa enti wo betimi aboa ma me wo betimi ma me vacation ni bi na me so ma so ha e be boa wa big ups me da mu nyina ase YouTube no ko kire se no ye nya bre e media agro Obuja edebesi ha why madam nyina ase some be support here mediano fire channel near Hell on Earth uko YouTube nso a Hell on Earth betimi subscribe na wa follow madam nyina ase some be come ho better machi edebesi ha oduma kuma kam nyina mo pia o makra mu nyina pia o freedom
about no hospitals. Freedom fire. Them gonna talk about no systems. Freedom fire. Them gonna talk about no justice. No justice, no justice. Them gonna talk about people dying. Freedom fire. Them gonna talk about no water. Freedom fire. Them gonna talk about no lights. Freedom fire. All they need is your support. All they need is your support. So come on, let's go support. Freedom fire. So come and let's go support. Freedom fire. So come and let's go support. Freedom fire. Yeah, these are the freedom fighters working hard and talking and talking and talking for the freedom of Ghanaians, and so we can have systems and live very comfortable. We are a rich country. We were born rich. God gave us all we need, and so support freedom fighters. We know for sure that everything will be okay. Freedom fire. Them gonna talk about no systems. Freedom fire. Them gonna talk about no justice. No justice, no justice. Them gonna talk about people dying. Freedom fire. Them gonna talk about no water. Freedom fire. Them gonna talk about no lights. Freedom fire. All they need is your support. All they need is your support. So come on, let's go support. Freedom fire. So come and let's go support.